Hey!
Hey,
It's a game night! I got a new computer and this was sitting in a lost and found for almost 3 to 4 weeks.
You stole someone's computer?
No, I didn't steal it. And I found this folder, which is all about the geometric designs, and it was hidden.
Oh no, dude. This is dark web. It does have almost all of the informations and hidden data specifically about geometric design.
Okay, let's start. Here's the first clip.
Alright. Just please don't harm me, okay? You want to know about geometric designs. It is a branch of computational geometry. It deals with the construction and representation of free-form curves, surfaces, or volumes, and is closely related to geometric modeling. On the other hand, we have the geometric concepts. It consists of lines, shapes, forms, patterns, symmetry, scale, and proportions. And in terms of identifying each, the line refers to a mark of connecting 2 points, something stretched between two things or two or more people standing in a row. Or shapes, it refers to the form of an object or its outline, outer boundary, or the outer surface. The geometric forms, it refers to the forms that can be constructed using geometry, such as squares, rectangles, circles, cones, cubes, and so on. While the repetition, it thus refers to the simplest elements you can use, and the patterns is a combination of elements that are repeated. Oh, the balance. It refers to bring or to hold the equilibrium, which has 3 types: the symmetry, asymmetry, and the radical symmetrical. The proportion. It is the 2 ratios that are set to equal each other. Usually, for the ratios and proportions are written in fraction form. Lastly, the perspective. It does refer to a drawing method by which it is possible to depict a 3-dimensional form as a 2-dimensional image that closely resembles the scene as visualized by the human eye. Was that okay?
that's cool. Wait, what's happening?
All of those videos, those are what they are trading. And we have to do something. We have to do it now!
Please, let's just do what they said. I don't want to die.
Please, I'll do everything as you say, but never touch any of my family. I'll tell you everything I know. That's what you need, right? Van Hale model is a theory that describes how students learn geometry. The theory originated in 1957. American researchers did several large studies on the Van Hale theory in the late 1970s and early 1980s, concluding that students' law Van Hale levels made it difficult to succeed in proof-oriented geometry courses and advising better preparation at earlier grade levels. The best-known part of the Van Hale model are the 5 levels which the Van Hales postulated to describe how children learn to reason in geometry. The levels are as follows: Level 0, Visualization. Level 1, Analysis. Level 2, Abstraction. Level 3, Deduction. Level 4, Rigor. American researchers renumbered the levels as 1 to 5 so that they could add a level 0 which described young children who could not identify shapes at all. Some researchers also give different names to the levels. Was that okay? Can you leave me alone now?
What do you want from me? You killed my sister and I know nothing. Please, no. Okay. I'll be honest with you, there are 4 common types of transformations: translations, rotation, reflection, and deletion. From the definition of the transformation, we have a rotation about any point, reflection over any line, and translation along any vector. There are again transformations wherein the image is congruent to its pre-image. They are also known as isometric. Transformations deletion is performed at about any point, and it is non-isometric. The type of transformations that occurs with each point in the shape is reflected over a line is called the reflection. When the points are reflected over a line, the image is at the same time distant from the line as the pre-image, but on the other side of the line, every point is reflected onto an image point. If point is A is 3 units away from the line of reflections to the right of the line, the point A will be 3 units away from the line of reflection to the left of the line. Thus, the line of reflection acts as a perpendicular bisector between the corresponding points, the image and the pre-image. Now, what will you do to my...
Aren't we done with this freaking game?
I know about this. Shapes usually refer to geometric figures like squares, circles, rectangles, and etc. Perception plays a critical role in the success of any visual component. Squares and rectangles, the straight lines and 90-degree angles of these two shapes offer a sense of reliability and security. Common meanings: discipline, strength, courage, security, reliability. Circles, ovals, and ellipses. These shapes best portray the sense of eternity as they have no beginning or end. Common meanings: eternity, female, universe, magic, mystery. Triangles. Triangle is a dynamic, energetic, active, and powerful shape which that associates with motion and direction. Spirals often correlate with the circle of life and depict a journey or growth. Abstract shapes. As abstract shapes are generalized styles, they are difficult to recognize and only small details give a hint to what it. Natural shapes. Everything created by Mother Nature has unique shapes. Leaves, flowers, animals, trees, etc. become the source of inspiration for artists and designers.
Please, this isn't getting funny anymore.
Please, just play the last video.
I'll tell you everything. Please, just leave me alone. What is a geometric pattern? Geometric patterns have the roots in math. Geometry is the branch of mathematics relating to line, angles, curves, and shapes. So, it's easy to see how they are applicable to art and design. Essentially, a geometric pattern is one containing objects, shapes, pictures, or other elements that repeat themselves. This repetition might be regular and obvious, such as squares, repeated on a grid, or more irregular or asymmetrical, creating a more abstract looking pattern. And how to use geometric patterns in design? Geometric patterns and designs has many practical uses in everyday life and also plays an important role. Geometric shapes are essential for effectively communicating your idea. They are simple, powerful, and geometric. Designers typically utilize simple circles, semicircles, rectangles, and squares to produce a clean, energetic styles in their work. Please! Please! Oh my god!
Please. No, don't do this to us.
This is all because of that computer.